Hey folks, John Nord. I thought I would show you today how I prepare a buckle for delivery. This includes putting the Renaissance wax on it, and this is a steel buckle, but I pretty much do the same thing with all my buckles: nickel, silver, steel. Anyway, and then putting it in the box the proper way and mailing it off or hand delivering it to someone. So stay tuned and we'll get started. Okay, what I do after I brown this is a steel buckle. After I brown it, I hang it from this rack like that after coating it with WD-40. I hang it for 24 hours and along with the keeper also. And I just hang it there and let it drip dry. And then when I take it off of there, I get some paper towels and I just go over it real good, clean the residual oil off of it, the WD-40 off of it, and get it all dried real nice. From there, I make sure it's polished up pretty nice the way I want it. I also put black in the backgrounds. Now, before I put that black in the backgrounds, I take a little bit of alcohol on my paper towel and I just rub the overlays with it to get any oil that's left over down around the flowers and stuff. And then when I do the black background, I use a Pro Sharpie and I just coat the background or the whole overlay with it real good and immediately wipe it off with a paper towel real good, and that leaves it in the background. You can't do this before you coat it with WD-40 because the WD-40 usually takes the Sharpie out of it. So I coat it with WD-40, hang it overnight, then clean it up real good, solvent clean the overlays, then put the dark background into it. And once you're done with that, I make sure, like I say, it's polished up good. And then we coat it with Renaissance wax. Now, Renaissance wax is a great deal. Some of these pieces can go as long as 6 months without recoating, and it'll protect them. It's an excellent wax. It's on the higher side price-wise, but it's well worth it. And Wilson Capron taught me about this stuff. And a lot of people think that you should put this on and heat the buckle up or heat the wax up, heat it into the piece. But that's not true. According to the people that make this, this is a cold application wax. You should put it on at room temperature. If you heat it up, there's solvents in this wax, and that solvent tends to come out and make it not go on as smooth. And so there's no need to heat up your piece. Just put this on cold all over the piece, and I do it with my finger, just get it all in and around everything. And then you take a soft cloth and something like this, and you lightly buff it real good into a high shine. And then that's all you got to do. You can put another coat on it if you want. I usually just do one good coat. But anyway, then it's protected against, especially these steel buckles, it'll protect them against rusting and things like that. It'll also keep the silver from tarnishing before you deliver it. So that's what we're going to do now. This stuff's real fine. And I usually just rub it in with my finger. You can use a cloth if you want. And I just make sure I get it all over. I get it on the edges. If you're an artist that puts your pieces in a gallery or a show, you can coat your jewelry and your buckles, spurs, whatever with this Renaissance wax, and it will keep it. Say it's a month before the show starts, or it's going to be on display for a long period of time. This stuff will keep it from tarnishing while it's on the rack or while it's in the gallery, and it will keep it in good shape. You won't have to worry about it. Okay, I've got that coated. I'm going to coat this keeper. I put it on my finger because I can feel that I'm getting it in to the different areas, and I'm not getting no lint on it. And I did wash my hands with Dawn detergent to make sure I don't have any grease or oil on my fingers. Okay, that's coated good inside and out. Now what we'll do is you can buff it pretty quick. I think the instructions just say apply sparingly and buff gently, dries hard, resist finger marks and all that. It keeps your silver from tarnishing, copper, brass, whatever. Now it will wear off with anything. Like if you coat the inside of a bracelet with it, over time it's going to wear that off, rubbing against the wrist. So those areas are probably best done with something like a coating, a clear coating, a jeweler's professional clear coating. Anyway, we're going to buff this buckle out now. And we just got a soft cloth here, and we just buff it. It don't take much. And you can be assured this wax is going to take care of everything. This brown coating is it's very important to coat it with this wax, because brown coating is actually a rusting chemical reaction, a rust type reaction. And if you don't coat it with something, oil, some people just put a light coat of WD-40 and leave it on there. But I like this wax because it's not messy or anything. And it will keep that steel from rusting. Okay, that's all done. Looking good there. We buff the keeper here. I don't usually buff the inside of the keeper, I just leave it applied like it is. This will polish your silver up pretty good too. Okay, we got that there. So this buckle set is ready for the box. And what I do on that is I use these buckle boxes. They're about 5, maybe 6 by 4, and they fit most of the buckles. They'll fit most of the trophy buckles too. And I just put the buckle in there like that. And then what I do on the keeper is I wrap the keeper in a little bit of wrap, because it's going to be on the box with that buckle. And in shipment you don't want them clashing together, so I just put some tape on that like that right there, and I put the buckle in there and I put the keeper in there. Okay, and then what I do is I've got a piece of bubble wrap doubled, and I put that on here so the top of the buckle is not rubbing against the box, because you don't have any padding up here on this box. And it's pretty tight. You don't hear it rattling around in there. And then instead of taping the box, because especially if you're hand delivering it for a gift, the person that's buying the gift likes to see what's in the box before they give it away. If you tape it, you're tearing the box up, the paper off the box and everything. So what I do is I take a piece of plastic wrap like that, and I put it on the box, I put it real tight like that. And then I just tape that. And I'm just taping the plastic wrap like that. That keeps the lid on the box. And if somebody wants to look at it, then all they have to do is slide this off like so, and open it up and look at it. Like that. So I don't ever tape the boxes. And then you get ready to put it back together. Just hook that around it. And slide it back in place. And then your buckle's ready. And then pack it up, ship it off, or call the people to come pick it up. Whatever, but you don't have to worry about it going nowhere or getting scratched. Hey, I appreciate y'all tuning in. I hope this gave you some important information about after you do all that hard work on the buckle or the spurs or the jewelry or whatever you have, the principle's basically the same. You do all that hard work on them. This is a way to keep that piece clean, whether it's sitting in a gallery or in a box for 30 days waiting to be given for Christmas present or something. That Renaissance wax will keep it in good shape, and packing it this way and all makes it easy and makes sure your piece is in good shape. So, hey, like and subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of do-it-yourself videos. I try to share these with people so they can learn this craft, and I really appreciate y'all tuning in. Everybody's been very supportive of my channel, and I thank you. Bye-bye.